you are making these mistakes, even the most expensive pair of jeans will look off. For petite especially, this can cut your frame and make you look even shorter than you actually are. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Upstyle with Shikha. I am Shikha, your personal stylist and an image consultant. I help women across sectors discover their personal style, their unique body shape, and make them feel confident every single day. If you are new here, do not forget to hit that subscribe button and join our little style community. We talk about real, practical styling, nothing overwhelming, nothing overcomplicated, just easy, everyday fashion that actually works. Now today's video is really special because inspired by one of your comments. You asked me to make a video on how to style skinny jeans. And I thought, yes, what a great idea. Skinny jeans are still in so many of our wardrobes और हम उनको निकाल नहीं पा रहे हैं, फेंक नहीं पा रहे हैं. So let's just understand how not to style them and how to style them. They are not out of fashion, but their style definitely needs an upgrade. So let's dive right into how can you still keep wearing your skinny jeans in 2025 and look super chic. Before we get into styling ideas, let's first talk about a few outdated ways of wearing skinny jeans. Because if you are making these mistakes, even the most expensive pair of jeans will look off. Number 1. Wearing them with tight or short tops. We have all done this, pairing skinny jeans with very fitted top or a t-shirt that ends right at the waist. The problem, it really gives a bodycon vibe that feels a bit dated now. It doesn't create any balance, it doesn't flatter your proportions. Instead of looking chic, the outfit is almost looking unfinished. Number 2. Pairing them with very long tunics. On the other hand, when you wear very long, shapeless tops or cardigans with skinny jeans, those go mid-thigh or even below. It hides your shape and makes your leg look shorter. For petite especially, this can cut your frame and make you look even shorter than you actually are. Number 3. Chunky sneakers with ankle-length skinny jeans. I know sneakers are comfortable, but very chunky sneakers with skinny jeans create a block around the ankle. Instead of elongating, it makes your leg look cut off. Number 4. Outdated footwear pairing. Remember those block heels with thick ankle straps? They make your ankle look wider and shorter the line of the leg. With skinny jeans, the last thing we want is to add bulk at the ankle. Number 5. Overly distressed skinny jeans. Distressing was trendy a little while back, but too many rips, especially the huge ones on the thighs or on both knees, make your jeans look worn out instead of stylish. For 2025, clean and polished denims looks far more elevated than ripped or distressed jeans. And number 6, the extra fabric that you have around the ankles in skinny jeans. If you have skinny jeans or if you are planning to buy them, please make sure that there is no extra fabric around your ankles and the length of the skinny jeans is exactly matching the length of your leg. Those extra fabrics or those extra lines around the ankles can make you look really outdated. With skinny jeans, the idea is to let them be a streamlined base, not overloading the outfit. So these are the big no-nos of styling your skinny jeans while being still in 2025. Skinny jeans are not cancelled, but the old way of wearing them is definitely outdated. Now let's get into the fun part. How to actually style your skinny jeans so they look modern, chic and effortless in 2025. Number 1. Balance with oversized tops. The first rule, balance. Skinny jeans are slim and fitted, so pair them with slightly oversized shirts, knits or boxy tops, or even sweatshirts for that matter. For example, imagine a light wash skinny jeans with a crisp oversized shirt or a sweatshirt half tucked in or left as is. It instantly looks stylish. Number 2. Layer with blazers. A structured blazer works like magic with skinny jeans. It gives your outfit shape, adds polish, and makes the jeans look intentional rather than casual. A black blazer with a dark wash skinny jeans and a neutral top is a foolproof combo. And you can even change the color of your blazer as you like it. Number 3. Update your footwear. Shoes change the whole vibe of skinny jeans. Instead of clunky sneakers or those heavy ankle strap heels, go for pointed toe flats, kitten heels or sleek loafers, or even ankle boots that are close fitting at the ankle. Pointed shoes elongate your legs and instantly elevate the look. Number 4. Play with proportions. Cropped cardigans, waist-length jackets or bomber jackets pair beautifully with skinny jeans. They highlight your waist and balance the slimness of the jeans. For example, a cropped knit in beige with high-rise skinny jeans and ankle boots is such a chic look. Number 5. French tuck. Do not underestimate this one. Take a oversized shirt and tuck it in just the front while leaving the back loose. It defines your waist without looking forced and it keeps the outfit casual and chic. Number 6. Experiment with textures. Yes, skinny jeans are simple, so adding textures on top makes them interesting. Think a chunky knit sweater, or a satin shirt, or a blouse, or even a leather jacket. Each of these elements adds depth and makes the jeans feel fresh. Now, let's pause for a moment and talk about something very important: winter styling with skinny jeans. Yes, honestly, if there is one season when skinny jeans truly shine, it's the winter. Why? Because unlike wide leg jeans or flared trousers that bunch up or refuse to tuck in, skinny jeans slide perfectly inside knee length boots. Whether you are going for sleek leather boots or suede boots or even the slightly heeled version, skinny jeans and tall boots are a match made in heaven. Think about this: winter fashion is all about layering and structure. Skinny jeans gives you that neat, fitted base so that all your layers can go on top without looking bulky. Pair them with cozy oversized sweater, throw on a coat, and then finish your look with knee-length boots. Instantly chic and warm as well. It almost looks like that your boots and jeans are one elongated line, and that elongation makes you look taller and sharper. You can also play with textures and colors here. For example, black skinny jeans with black leather boots create a monochrome effect that makes your legs look longer. If you want to add contrast, try blue skinny jeans with tan or beige boots. So stylish for a daytime look or your travel looks. And not forgetting your top layers, pair this combo with puffer jackets, trench coats, or even long wool coats. The neat base of skinny jeans with boots allow you to wear oversized outerwear without feeling drowned. And as I said, it is perfect. It's a match made in heaven. So really, it's about updating your pairings or balancing the silhouette, balancing the proportions, and making smarter shoe and accessory choices. So there you have it: how not to wear skinny jeans and how to actually style them in 2025 so they feel fresh and modern. Remember, skinny jeans are a classic piece, they are not going anywhere, but the way you style them makes the difference. Balance them with oversized or structured pieces, choose modern footwear, and keep the overall look clean and chic. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Upstyle with Shikha. And don't forget to drop your style questions, queries, or anything suggestions in the comment box below. I love creating video based on what you want to see. See you in my next video. Till then, bye bye and stay stylish.